Hello guys, welcome to my new place. I'm showing to you before I decorate my place. Yeah, here you go.
Okay, this is the entrance. Okay, it was so empty.
Okay guys, this is my toilet. I'm doing voiceover now because I noticed that my voice in this video so much echo. So now I'm doing it voiceover. As you can see here, I'm pointing my drawer. Like this is the first furniture I got in. And here's my wardrobe. I have a little closet, but yeah, anyway. And here's a divider and hold the vacant space. Here's I'm planning to put my bed. Here's the sofa and this makeup table and the dining table. Here's my little kitchen, but it's so cute. It fits for me, for one person. And yeah, that's it. And you will see in few seconds the after.
So this is my front door and it says welcome. Yeah, let's come in. So when you first come in, this is, you can see first, it's welcome to my happy place. And all my shoes in there. And this one is my favorite. It's a lead painting. And there's another one. And there's my shoe rack. And there's, I can hang my clothes. Yeah. So this is the hallway going to my closet. I just have 4. It's not a lot, but yeah, I managed to put some of my clothes, even though I have a lot, but I put some of them in my storage area. And I installed these sensor lights because it's easier. As you can see, this is for my cleaning stuff. And here, in this way, here is my toilet. It's very small, but I like it. See? It's not that big, but it's, yeah, I just like it. This is all my stuff. Girls can have a lot of shit. Here, fuck it. Just get naked. Here. Here's my artificial flower. I got that in IKEA. This one. So cute. And oh, yeah, I have toilet rolls. So cute. And yeah, I put this one because I really don't like early in the morning to pee, and then it's so cold between my legs, so I put something, and it's easy to sit on here when I'm doing something in the toilet. So we go forward. So here is, I make it like a little hallway because I have only small apartment, so I have to make it like 2 rooms. Here is just all my girly stuff, my bags, nail polishes, perfumes and watches, accessories, frames. It's just a bunch of stuff. So this is the hallway, and here I make it like a small space for my bed. I mean, it's not small. I mean, it's not that small bed. It's big bed, but it took a lot of space. But it's so corny. This always kiss me goodnight thing. And I got this mirror from Wish. It's so cute. And here it says, yeah, cheesy. And here we go. There's another frame here. Oh, it's got from Barcelona, from random stuff. It's just, I love codes. So here it is, my entertainment center. So this is my living room thing, and makeup, beauty room, and my dining table, since it's small space, but I kind of really like it, and it's cozy and it's so me. So yeah, I'm happy for this thing. And so this is so autumn. As you can see, this is my happy place again, and it's so autumn, golden autumn, the color, and Halloween, it's black and orange. And yeah, this one is a divider, so if I have a guest, they cannot see my private bed. Just yeah, you know, sometimes I need some privacy. So this is like my accessories, yeah, thing. Backs, or no, a whole mirror of this. I like this mirror. So this is what it looks like, my TV and my, yeah, shelves. And this one I got from Wish also. So this is just small things. This I got from IKEA. This lamp, this is the witch is in. Yeah, so it's like that, the witch is in. It's so cute. So, and my posters, you can see the details. I love this table, my coffee table. This one from Wish also. So many from Wish. This one poster, that essay. So, and this is my old makeup vanity from IKEA. And looks like that. So, hocus pocus, you need Pepsi to focus. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, it's so Pepsi, crazy. And here, this I got also from Wish. I just installed it beside my makeup table because I cannot find any place for my hair tools and products. So I just put them in one place, so it's easier for me when I do my hair and makeup in one place. And this is my vacuum cleaner. And here's another stuff. So this is my table, dining table. Yeah, and this is got from Bon Perks, this curtain. So many people ask me. And here we're going in the kitchen. So this is how it looks like, my kitchen. I just washed today, so I just, yeah, dry it down. And here I installed this one because it wasn't here and I need some space to put, yeah, my coffee machine. And yeah, so I put it there and it looks perfect. And I just bunch of stuff for snacks and, you know, coffee, my coffee corner, microwave. And this is all my collection from my trip, souvenirs. And it says eat, drink, and be thankful. And here is, yeah, so many coats. So cheesy, give me great massage grabs my ass while I cook for him. And this is love here in the kitchen. It's so functional and cute. I like stuff. It makes my cooking more enjoyable and fun. And yeah, I just cover it because it looks more nice when it's clean, organized. So, and here, if you want breakfast in bed, sleep in the kitchen. And how cute is this? My toothpick holder. And these are my shakers, pepper and salt, and a bunch of, yeah, spices. And here, yeah, this I like automatic because, you know, I hate to pump when I'm washing. So I don't know if I'm lazy, but I want to make my life easier, you know. So just a bunch of stuff here. So this is from my old apartment painting from IKEA. And here my fridge and some food stuff there. So that's my kitchen. It's not that big. It's very cute, just like me. Okay, so here looks like. Okay, that's it. So cute. Oh, by the way, this is like my photo album. This is from Tomorrowland, and it says here another quote. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's. 'It's all it got. 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 'It's
And here's my DIY pumpkin and the skulls I got from dollar store. And here's my coffee table with the candle center. Is it so? Trick or treat. It's a candle holder, but I use it for goodies. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this type of video and you get some inspirations on how to style your home. Please stay tuned for my Christmas home tour. Bye.